Hello friends, in this video we will do a workout routine that will help you combat neck and shoulder pain using a stick. Don't forget to do our warm-up video before starting the routine. In our first exercise, as shown in the video, while standing straight, we will hold the stick to the thighs with palms facing backwards, bringing the right arm up and behind your back, stretching your chest muscle. From there, move the left arm and bring it back to the starting point. We need to repeat this exercise for 10 counts. After finishing our 10 counts, we'll perform the same movement with the other arm. Remember to open your torso till your waist while lifting your arms up. Keep your body straight and in line to challenge the movement. Squeeze your scapula and facilitate the movement. In our second exercise, from the same position, we will gradually lift both our arms up, taking them behind our back. We might distance our grip a little bit to provide a smooth movement without bending our elbows. In our third exercise, keep the stick behind your back as shown in the video and grip it close to your body. Raise your arms up as much as possible, keeping your body straight. We'll perform this exercise as well for 10 counts. To perform our fourth exercise, lie down in a prone position as shown in the video. Hold the stick close to your hips with your palms facing down. Raise your arms 10 times, squeezing your back without bending your elbows. For our fifth exercise, we will be in the same position, only moving our arms away from our hips to get a greater range of motion for 10 counts. Remember to keep the movement as smooth as possible. For our next 5 exercises, you might want to use a cushion or a towel roll to support your head. In our sixth exercise, as shown in the video, bring your elbows as close to your ribs as possible and then lift your entire arm off the floor for 10 counts. If you feel fatigue at any point, you may pause the video, rest and restart the program. If you feel uncomfortable or uneasy, we request you to stop immediately, consult your doctor and come back with their approval. After finishing 10 counts, in our 7th exercise, we will shift our arms into a 90-degree angle at the elbow and then lift our arms for 10 counts. While performing all the exercises in lying down position, always remember to exhale while you are lifting your arms up and inhale while you are bringing them down. In our 8th exercise, take your arms in a horizontal line to your shoulder, raise it out to the side, parallel to the floor. Perform 10 counts of this exercise by opening up your chest and squeezing your scapula. Don't hold your breath or force yourself into a movement that can't be done. Consistency is the key for improvement, so be consistent and patient. Our 9th exercise becomes a little bit challenging as you bring your arms in a diagonally horizontal angle, creating a Y out of your body. Lift your arms up in the same angle for 10 counts. In our last and 10th exercise, we bring our arms into a vertical line to our shoulders and lift both up for 10 counts. If that's too challenging, we may perform it one by one. These exercises, when performed regularly, will fine-tune the movement and strengthen your posture. Please follow it for 21 days for the best results. Thanks for your time and enthusiasm to engage in this routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel to help others.